We go to a primetime news follow-up now. Delayed but not denied. Alecia King walked in her graduation ceremony and collected her high school diploma less than a year after being burnt in her sleep and getting life-saving treatment overseas. Krista Campbell has this TVJ News update.
Graduation day at Dinthill Technical High School in St. Catherine was especially exciting this year. Among the graduates, a student who should have walked this path already, and one who, after a near-fatal ordeal on August 25 last year, did not think she would have made it here. Alecia King had taken her graduation pictures, sat her CSEC exams, and on the day she was to get her results, the then 17-year-old was doused with gasoline and set on fire by her ex-boyfriend while she slept. Charity organization San Myrna Foundation helped secure the funds for her to be airlifted overseas for emergency medical treatment.
She should have graduated last year. This time last year, she was actually backlined for life. We didn't know where it was going to go. This month she was not knowing who she was. There was a lot of variables, you know. So we're very happy that she actually lived to see today.
When I just came, I was speaking to the chairman of the Dinthill Technical High School, and he said that hearing my voice, he heard joy in my voice, and I was so happy to hear that because I really believe that I'm happy.
This despite her medical journey only at the halfway mark.
She has done basically about 29, and she has additional surgeries to go. You're looking at probably another 20, 30 surgeries to go. She's scheduled to go again further in this year.
Alecia hopes after her next round of surgeries overseas, she will have enough mobility in her hands to continue her education.
My dream was always to become a soldier, but due to my mobility right now and what I've been through, I'm not going to be able to join the force just yet. But for now, my inspiration to become a nurse was when I was in the Shriners Hospital in Texas, and to see how much important a nurse is to children's lives, I really think I would love to support children just like that.
We are going to ensure that we give her a scholarship, you know, and to see her further her education, and she can even see her dreams come true of being that doctor.
Now, in the audience of supporters to the graduates, a woman Alecia says is more like a mother than a stepmother.
She's my sunlight, she's everything. I remember days when mommy would just be that strong soldier standing over me. She wouldn't cry, let me see. She wouldn't do anything that would make me uncomfortable. She is like a woman. She's a woman of power. She made me so strong to the way that I'm so grateful to see her today.
And it's why Alecia says she can give this encouragement to others.
Shine bright, just like the stars. Look up high and focus on whatever you want. In my situation, I'm not able to have much fun as others, but just surround yourself with people that love and care for you. And that's what I have.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.